Ito na nga pala yung aking ginawang burger patty kanina, guys. So, ayan. Ay, sorry. Nakalimutan tanggalin yung takip. So, ano lang yan siya. Worcestershire sauce lang yan siya. Nilagay ko dyan. Pampalasa. Tapos, i-marinate lang natin ng 30 minutes. At ayan na. Ito.
So it's grilling time again.
Asawa.
It's so cold outside, but
so, sabi kasi ng pamangkin, gusto daw na yung cheeseburger sa kanyang birthday. So, ayan, pinagluto ng aking asawa.
flipping some burgers. Burger patty. Smells good.
Shoutout nga pala sa nagluluto. Nilalamig yan.
I can put his in the side. Go in the house. Go, 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 go. And go in the house. Pwede na pala akong mag-apply tagagawa ng burger patty. Kasi yung ginawa ko kanina, oh. Sabi niya pang ano daw. Ayun. Yung galing sa store daw na nakapati na. My hair looks brown. Is it brown? Huh?
That one right there might be done. Also that one too and that one.
Okay.
We'll wait maybe like 5 minutes.
Oh, that's looking good. That's a looking good burger patty.
No?
Nagdagdag lang ako ng uling, guys, kasi konti na lang yung uling para sa aking chicken. So, yan na yung ating chicken. Parang mang inasal din siya, guys.